In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube on your smart TV, whether you want to block it for kids, cut down on screen time, or just remove the app entirely if you don't use it. The steps work for most major brands like Samsung, LG, TCL, and Vizio. If your goal is to block access to YouTube, go into your TV's settings and look for parental controls or digital well-being. From there, you can set up restrictions using a PIN and block the YouTube app from launching. If you want to remove the YouTube app completely, the process depends on your TV. On Samsung Tizen TVs, long press the remote button over the YouTube app and select Uninstall or Delete. On Android TVs, go to settings.apps.youtube.uninstall.keep. In mind that on many smart TVs, especially newer models, YouTube comes built in and can't always be fully deleted without rooting the system, which voids warranties and isn't recommended, but disabling it or hiding it from the home screen is usually possible. You can also disable voice control access to YouTube by turning off Google Assistant or Alexa features in your TV settings. Thanks for watching. If this helped you disable or block YouTube on your smart TV, drop a comment below and let me know what brand of TV you use these steps on. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.